How to log in EPFO employee account. Welcome to Lemme Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, launch your preferred browser and search for EPFO login. From here, select on the Employees Provident Fund Organization or epf.gov.in. Wait for the website to load completely. To log in into EPFO employee account, it is simple than you think. In your website, you will see a login portal where you can easily add up your UAN to log in into your account. You will see an interface or the portal like this. Firstly, enter your UAN, that is Universal Account Number. Then enter the password. Verify yourself via CAPTCHA and tap on the Sign In button. In the case of forgotten credential, tap on Forgot Your Password and follow the alternative method in order to recover your account. If you have not activated your UAN, just click on Activate UAN to activate it. And this is the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.